Don't throw out your bones.
What bones?
Your bird bones.
Swept by current, swallowed by wave. Take heed, they'll say, no, no, no need to get out. Just stay on a lovely holiday.
So we used to do bone broth and it would take 24 hours of slow cook simmering it on the stove, but now we're doing it on the Instapot. 120 minutes cook on the Instapot with an hour cool down. And then we're done. So it's cooked and cooled, and now we just have to strain it.
So the reason why we boil these bones down is because you're trying to pull out the collagen, which is the main protein found in the bones. So during the process, the collagen from the bones is broken down into another protein called gelatin. So you'll notice some of this, when it cools, you'll notice a layer of gel on top of the soup. Or with all these large turkey bones, you'll notice quite a bit. Those are some nice big bones. And you'll see our dog, Zoe, sits here so nice because she's just waiting for a treat. She gets all kinds of little treats when we make bone broth. Hey, Zoe? She knows being a good girl.
The bones should be soft, and they should be just able to break apart with your fingers.
One thing to add is 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar when you cook it in the Instapot. Now that helps break down the bones and the connective tissue. This is our finished product. You can see some oils on top. And in the morning when it's all cooled and in the fridge, this will be mostly gelatin. So why are we going to consume this? Now, bone broth is one of the most efficient and natural ways of consuming gelatin and collagen, along with all the other nutrients naturally found in whole food. So what's the difference between gelatin and collagen? The reason the answer to this question can be so confusing is that gelatin is made of collagen. So collagen is your basic structure you'd find in bones, tendons, hair, skin, nails, connective tissues, and gelatin is simply the cooked form of collagen, so you can't have one without the others. When the collagen in your bones and the skin of animals is cooked, gelatin is produced.
Hey guys, so if you learned one thing, it's to not throw out your bones.
Thanks for watching our simple video on how to make bone broth. I hope you guys enjoy a simple cup during the winter. Sip on it, make it into a soup, or freeze the rest of it for the next time you have to make bone broth. Okay? So friends, we want you to join the experience.
Taste the adventure.
Okay, let's try that again. Join the adventure.
And taste the experience.
Cheers.